Let's make the Father Sherman, which this cocktail consists of brandy and a little apricot brandy. We'll start off with a little ice in a glass, and we're going to use the jigger. This calls for 1.5 ounces of brandy. Jigger I'm using 1 ounce on one side, half on the other. I've got 1 ounce on one side, a little for grandma, 1/2 ounce on the other side. I'm going to use 1/2 ounce of apricot brandy, with again a little bit for grandma. Orange juice to your liking. You like a little bit, that's fine. Like a lot, that's fine also. Since we have juice, we're going to go ahead and shake it up. And I've chilled in a cocktail glass a little earlier to make the drink more enjoyable, so you won't have a watered down drink. Now we're going to strain into the glass. And to start the evening, we have the Father Sherman. Cheers.